there hornets in there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hey, hey, Brent, you stay here with you two. You two keep these guys from moving out of these woods behind you.
Okay.
Hey, Al, you on me, we're moving down. Let's go, we got these guys over here to hold me.
You got the objective?
We're holding this position, this point.
Alright.
Man, I know I hit that boy. I know I hit you, son.
No, don't say that. That makes you look like an ass.
I know. But it makes me mad when I'm watching him hit him. I'm coming for you. Okay, I got him.
I've been over 2 minutes.
Guys, move! Go! How you hit? Alright, just yell it next time. Let's move, guys, come on. The drone is the key. Yeah, are you the only one on the low side? Yeah. Garrett, Nick? No, Nick. There. Up. Charles, we got one moving right in front of us. Which way?
It drops down over on the left. They're down over on the left.
Come on, boys.
Up or down?
What's up? Oh, fail! On camera.
Firing from the hips and that call. We have the drone.
I think down there.
Yeah, down there. Rambo. You know if we have the drone?
I'll go hit.
Can we have the drone? You have what? The drone.
Oh yeah, we got that like the first 30 seconds.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, it's already sitting in the bag.
I got right beside him and shot him all day. That's how come
You guys
they're all
want
like
a
that.
van?
I swear he's that.
You're hitting the road.
Look right there.
You guys want a van? If we can get, like, if 3 of you guys go give covering fire, I'll run to that tree and then give covering fire for you. Down the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go for it.
Oh, hit.
Is that it? Okay, hold on. That's it. Last man standing, man. Oh, were you? Yeah. Oh, okay. Cover.
They're all hit. They're all hit. He's still in the game, dude. He's still in the game.
Team killer, guys.
Hey, we'll kill you guys. We'll start shooting each other.
Are we done? I'll take it up. No, we still got 2 more people left.
You still got 3 people in there.
It's the same team, man. If we got shot, it still counts.
BFG.
Glorious team leader.
Shotgun time.
Oh yeah. Hey, everybody cover this way. So we have nobody. We don't have any of the enemy up top, right?
None that we should all be this way. The rest of the team is dead up.
Okay, well then get 2 guys providing security to this side.
Hey, you seen Nigel?
Nigel? Oh, really? He went down the wall.
Hey, Al, move up. You come me one more time, you're going to sit there, I'm going to come shoot you. Stay up there. Jack, come here. It'll loot.
Ah, shit, hit. I'm hit. Jesus.
Hey, Brent. Brent, hey, how deep is he on him?
I don't know. I can't hit him.
Nick, get out of there. Jack, get out of there. Hey, stay on that tree. Jack, what? Stay here with Alan, hold this left side. Alan, watch the back side. Nick, watch this back side.
I shot.
Yeah, I'm going.